Reacting to whistleblower website WikiLeaks' recent clarifications on BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi, party spokesperson Nirmala Sitharaman today said that Modi does not need a certificate from WikiLeaks owner Julian Assange for winning the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. She made the comments while talking exclusively to NNIS. Sitharaman said WikiLeaks is not a certifying authority, but at the same time, whatever it said was true. She added, however, the nation does not need a certificate from WikiLeaks about Modi and neither Modi needs it to win the elections.
WikiLeaks is not an authority who's speaking on others. He's just leaking information of correspondence between, let us say, embassy officials and government, which is government of US. So that particular portion about which we are discussing now, WikiLeaks has leaked somebody's word on Narendra Modi ji to the US government. So Assange at no point was a certifying authority. But here, what has been transacted, the contents of that is important because that very clearly speaks about how incorruptible is Sri Narendra Modi, said by some Congress leaders. So we have to look at that rather than assess Julian Assange.
When asked about reaction of Congress on the issue, Sitharaman said the ruling party always looks for a chance to speak ill about the Saffron party and is doing the same this time.
Congress has this tradition of speaking in such vitriolic language. After all, it's the party's leader, Srimati Sonia Gandhi herself, used the expression "Maut ki Saudagar." I'm not surprised that Sanjay Nirupamji has also chosen to speak in such kind of a language, which is condemnable.
This report was brought to you by NNIS.